Do what you like as long as you leave. It's the day after this group of people started pulling out the plants off the island, and the westerly winds have whipped up, and the sand is just where they pull the plants out. The sand is just being whipped up right where the plants were pulled out, and it's being whipped up and being scoured off the beach because these people pulled the plants off the beach. They claim to be from Lake Macquarie Council. We're pulling plants off of the little sand-reclaimed island at what it used to look like here, with all of these little shrubs or plants or whatever they are stabilising the soil. And over here, where this group of people pulled all the shrubs out yesterday and the plants, the beach is devoid of sand now because here's what's happened where the plants have all been pulled out. The sand is completely eroded and blowing away in the wind. They pulled all the plants out yesterday. I tried to stop them from doing so, and one of the people, the organisers, is from Lake Macquarie Council, so I'm not really happy about that. Today is Father's Day. I think it's, I'm not sure the date, 8th of September, I believe. Anyway, so.